The roof pitch calculator solves for angle and ratio from your rise and run measurements. Let's look at the inputs. First, you'll see a units drop-down menu with two options: Imperial, which uses feet and inches, or metric, which uses meters and centimeters. For this demonstration, I'm using Imperial units. Below that, you have two input fields. The first is rise, which is your vertical distance. The second is run, which is your horizontal distance. Once you've entered these values, click the Calculate Roof Pitch button. Here's a worked example. I'll enter 10 for the rise and 10 for the run. After clicking Calculate, we get 4 results. The pitch ratio shows 1.1000 to 1, meaning for every 1 unit of horizontal run, we have 1 unit of vertical rise. The angle is 45.0 degrees, which makes sense for equal rise and run. The rafter length calculates to 1414 feet, giving us the diagonal measurement from the wall plate to the ridge. Finally, the slope percentage is 100.0%, another way to express this steep pitch. This tool streamlines your roofing calculations for any project. Find the link in the description below.